a little ways here. You might be able to see it through all the mist. There's a cable that runs across there. Alright, morning everybody. It's November 21st, 2015. Hopefully I don't get too much wind noise from the camera today. I lost my little fuzzy thing off the microphone, so I'm down here by the border off Devon Road. This is Middle Falls. It's rolling pretty good today. We had lots of rain. I don't know if that's the border marker. It says C for Canada. Right over there is the US. Used to be the old provincial park right there at one time. Long since gone, all the buildings torn down. But I'm just gonna go up the river here, a little ways here. You might be able to see it through all the mist. There's a cable that runs across there. We'll head over that way. The old walkway. I'm not going to walk on that because it's already collapsed there. This is the little zip line or gondola, if you may. And it goes across the river. Okay, this has got a nice newer chain and a lock in place. Surprised they haven't taken this down though. It's not hard to use this. It's a two-seater. And it goes right across to the United States of America. Maybe after this video they'll take it down. Not hard to get across there. Looks like it used to have something mounted on here. And I guess you can just hand wheel yourself across. Everything's in really good condition. It's all aluminum. So that's the zip line from Canada to the US. Hope you enjoyed watching.